Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up parental controls on Android tablet, family safety guide step by step clearly. To set up parental controls on your Android tablet, begin by unlocking the device. Swipe down from the top of the screen to access the quick settings menu. Look for the gear icon that represents settings and tap on it. Once in settings, scroll down until you find digital well-being and parental controls. Tap on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls to open the menu. Here, you will see options for Family Link and other settings. Tap on Set up Parental Controls to start the configuration process. If you are not already using Family Link, you will be prompted to download it from the Google Play Store. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Family Link if needed. Once Family Link is installed, return to the Digital Wellbeing menu. Select Parental Controls to continue. You will be asked to create a family group if you haven't already. Follow the prompts to add family members, which can include children's accounts. Once your family group is set up, select the child's account you wish to manage. You will see a variety of settings related to app limits, screen time, and content restrictions. Adjust the app limits according to your child's needs by selecting App Limits. Set the desired limit by selecting specific apps and the amount of time permitted. Next, you can configure screen time by selecting bedtime or screen time. Follow the prompts to set the schedule for when your child can use the tablet. To filter content, go back to the main Parental Controls menu. Select Manage Settings to restrict access to apps or websites. You can control which apps can be downloaded and installed. Additionally, set restrictions for Google Play content based on age ratings. If your child encounters a blocked site, they will receive a notification. Make sure to check in regularly to adjust settings as your child grows. Review the usage reports to understand how your child is using their tablet. With these steps, you can ensure a safer online experience for your child. Make sure to communicate these rules clearly with them for better understanding. Setting up parental controls is a proactive way to keep your family safe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.